Hello everyone, this is Rajesh Raj. In the last video, we have learned what is computer, what are the various functions of computer, and how computer works. In today, we will understand what is hardware and what is software. So the computer is divided into two parts, hardware and the software. Basically, hardware refers to the part of computer that we can touch or we can feel. For example, CPU, keyboard, mouse, printer, monitor, etc. These all are the hardware. And the other hand, software refers to a set of programs that perform some task in a computer. We cannot touch them and we cannot feel them. So a computer basically needs both hardware and software to work. Computer hardware is divided into four parts: input devices, processing unit, storage devices, and output devices. The first is input devices, the devices through which we enter data into the computer. Means it helps us to entering the data in the computer. There are various input devices like keyboard, mouse, joystick, etc. But keyboard and mouse are main input device, or we can say the most important and the input device which every computer system need. Minimum these two we need. Okay. Processing unit, it controls the functions of a computer. CPU, motherboards are the example of processing unit. When the data is entered into the computer with the help of input device, with the help of processing unit, computer process that data, and after that when we enter some data, the data need to be stored somewhere, or when computer process the data, whatever result come, computer need to store that data somewhere. So computer store that data into the memory. So memory is our storage devices. Okay, so it is used to store the data and information. Storage devices are used to store data and the information. The example of storage devices are like hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, or some examples of storage devices. Next we have output devices. Output devices, it display the result after the processing. Whatever result we get, it display that. It can be in the form of picture or video or sound, anything. So monitor and printer are the main output devices, like keyboard and mouse are the main input devices. In the same way, monitor and the printer are the main output devices. So if we summarize all this information, all this video, so we find that computer is divided into two parts, that is hardware and the software. Hardware refers to the part of computer that we can touch or feel, and the software refers to a set of programs that perform some tasks but we cannot touch or feel them. Okay, and computer need both hardware and software to work. These are the examples of hardware, like input devices, all our processing unit, all the storage devices, all the output devices. These all are the computer hardware. In the next video, we will learn types of the software.